First, you need to remove all the parts and keep only the old grip tape. Then use a hot air blower to spread the internal adhesive. After about 5 seconds, turn off the hot air blower. You can see now that the sandpaper is easily lifted off. Use the same method until the grip tape is fully lifted. Now, let's take out the new grip tape and put it on the board. Then tear it apart partially. Align it with the head of the board, so that it fits the board perfectly. This requires a very steady hand and plenty of patience. Once the head of the board is aligned, peel off the rest of the sandpaper. Then align the tail of the board. If you don't get the sandpaper to fit perfectly with the board, you can lift off the sandpaper at the end of the board. Gently press the surrounding gaps with your hands. After replacing it with new grip tape, it looks like a new board.